Okay, here's what it is. When you use the shower, plenty of the walls get wet. There's a cracked tile there. There's all compromised grout. The grout is compromised. It hits that tile. Okay? Hits the tile. Whatever, it gets wet. It splashes everywhere. A little bit. Alright? And down in here, water starts to puddle. You're gonna see it in a minute. You see that water puddling? Oh, it's wet, that spot. Hold on. Right there. Yeah. And all this back here. See it getting wet? See it dripping? That's it. And then it soaks up and then spreads outward. Everything gets wet. That's your problem.